Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. I haven't done one for a couple of days and was asked to carry out a update video. So yeah, I'm doing that. Solana, where are we? So we've come up in my view, in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave to the upside, which was also part of a larger wave 3 based on the Elliott wave count. That was here on the 6th or 7th of November. Since then, we've corrected this wave 5. And as I've been saying for a couple of weeks now, I think my scenario still stands, the bullish one, in which I would expect us to break out of this descending broadening wedge, which again, it's not a very, you don't see that pattern very often, but it's a bullish pattern, yeah, a descending broadening wedge. And so far I'm waiting for that breakout to take place. Again, it's not guaranteed, nobody has a crystal ball, that's just what I think. And we also can assume, just based on what normally happens to these kind of patterns, that they break out to the upside. Also considering where we are overall in the Elliott wave count for Solana, I would argue we are going to go up from here into an area between 311 or 310 and 345 US dollars in a larger wave 5, because what this is wave 3, a wave 4, and then the wave 5 up there. That's how I do see this. Basically, yeah, you've got the wave 3 actually up here, the wave 4 down here, and now we're actually moving up in a larger wave 5 to the upside. But again, part of that was this wave 3 and wave 4, and it's getting quite complicated then, but we are moving up here in wave 5 now in the next step. That's my view, and I stick to this bullish scenario as long as we are not dropping below 178 US dollars. That is that previous low of the wave 4, of the smaller wave 4 here in yellow. And yeah, I did say that, did tell you that level, and yeah, we came down exactly to that level. There you go. $180 was the low here just yesterday, really. So that is where we found support, and now we are climbing back up. I think we're currently trying to get above the 50-day moving average here, $205. It's important that we've reclaimed the $200 level. We tried it yesterday or a couple of days ago, we failed. Now we've come above it, maybe now retesting it, and this could have been the low, because we can't go much deeper, can't go much lower in a bullish scenario. So yeah, we found support there, hopefully finding support together with what Bitcoin did on the Bitcoin chart, finding support here at the last, really nearly the last level where we can get to in a bullish scenario. From here now, yeah, we've moved up. What we now need to do, and I think we might be doing that, is to consolidate bullish, maybe come down in a small wave 2 now, and then carry on, go up further in the next leg up that will push us above the 50-day moving average and above the 20-day moving average, and also above this pattern here, this broadening descending wedge. That would then be the next confirmation that we are in a new impulsive move to the upside. Overall, I think these were good prices. I used this area here to buy into Solana. And overall, yeah, I remain bullish on Solana for now, but I think after this wave 5 there will then be a correction, a longer correction, if we've reached here this area up here in yellow. Now that is only one scenario that I talk about here, but for me it is currently the most likely one, assuming though that Bitcoin is also continuing to go up, and it is looking more likely now that Bitcoin has moved up, but it's still not confirmed. So because we are still, as I said in the Cardano Bitcoin video, we are still below an important descending trend line for Bitcoin, an important resistance level that we need to get above first. So far Solana, yeah, obviously looks like we had the low here, strong reaction, so hopefully that is going to give us the push that we need to get above the 50-day moving average. Also we need to climb up the Fibs with the next key resistance levels here then on the Fibonacci scale, being the 0.382 at $207.50. That's also where we found resistance here, and we need to get beyond that. And then the next one is up here at 230 US dollars. And if we get above that, I think, you know, then we've already made quite a lot of gains again. And we need to get beyond that to get to the all-time high, which is at $260. And above that, then we get to the next fib level at it's the 1.272 at roughly $300, and after that we can get to the 1.618 at $345. But somewhere between that 1.272 and the 1.618, I would expect us to peak here before we have a larger ABC correction, after which again, same game again, we continue our way up. So hopefully you liked that update video about Solana. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.